Hello, welcome to the video update. My name's Scott, and this is edition number 24 now of the market update. Let's get into it and see what's happened in the markets over the last week. So firstly, we'll take a look at gas prices. We can see that for the second or third week in a row now, prices have come down again. And we're seeing most of the price decline in the near term, that 12-month contract, down around 7.4% week to week. It's very good news, so it's consistently been dropping for the last few weeks now. Quick look at power. It's a bit more resistant, although we have seen drops again this week. A bit more mixed in terms of the movement, whether short or longer term, but you can see anywhere between 4.6 and 2.9% decline there. So what happened last week? As you see, prices have come down, and that's mainly due to a lot of bearish factors in play. So firstly, we've seen October prove very mild so far, and it's projected to be even more so mild towards the end of the month. So the whole of October as a whole should be above seasonal temperatures, which helps with offsetting any heating demand and keeps overall UK energy demand lower than expected. Next is quite a big policy being discussed in the EU, and that is regarding putting a price cap on natural gas. The conversations were held all last week, and they are continuing into this week about how they might actually implement it. There's a bit of speculation how it could actually unravel, but really the main points to make here is if it is put in place, there are some concerns that Gazprom have already said it would violate existing contracts and may actually suspend gas flows further. So while bearish, it could have some bullish consequences on prices. There's also the issue that some nations are hesitant to implement the price cap for various reasons. So the majority are in agreement, but there are a few outspoken nations that have some reservations. And then finally, a quick point on the oil market. We spoke about oil market last week, about OPEC introducing that 2 million barrel per day cut in production. Since then, oil's been very volatile. It's really struggling to find a direction because it's having a lot of inputs either way really on its price. While the production cut was very bullish, there is a deteriorating kind of economic outlook for the world really, that's weighing down prices. So kind of struggling for direction, and it's bouncing around quite a lot day to day. Quick look at this week. There's a few things to pick out. Firstly, we have been seeing some strong wind generation so far. It has dropped a lot today. I think it only makes about 8% of the energy mix, but that should pick up again into the 40% region for the rest of the week. And that's obviously bearish on prices. Wind generation is one of the cheapest ways to generate electricity. Over in Germany, they have extended the lifespan of 3 of their nuclear plants till mid-2023. That's really just to see them over the winter, I'd imagine. So that extension was announced yesterday by the German Chancellor. And then finally, we have 11 LNG vessels due now by the start of November. So I think over the last 2 updates, that was 8, 9, now it's 11. So the numbers are getting stronger with each week. And should they all deliver on schedule, that would bode very well for the kind of month ahead of November. As always, if you want further information, there's a few sources you can get it from. So we do have our Market Watch Live, which you can chat to between 10 and 12. And then we have our website as well, where we'll publish the daily and monthly market commentary on there as well as these video updates. So thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you next week for a further update.